Everyone, this is Sandra and I welcome you to Oaza of Your Soul. In this video, I am sharing rituals and practices for Cancer Summer Solstice. Now, summer is almost here and we are halfway through this year, and today we are diving into some powerful rituals and practices for the Cancer Solstice. Before I share more, I want to say thank you so much for joining me, and please show your support by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into these powerful rituals. Alright, on June 20th, we have Cancer Summer Solstice, and on that day, the sun reaches its highest point in the sky, and it is our longest day of the year. Now, this is a second phase of the Earth journey around the sun, which starts with spring equinox. And I like to say that spring is like waking up in the morning, getting out of bed, and stretching our body. Now, at the summer solstice, we are fully awake. Our spirits are alive, refreshed, renewed, energized, all that good, juicy, rich stuff we feel in the sun. Now, we live our life in the cycles, and since the last winter solstice, the day have been slowly growing longer as the earth began tilting back towards the sun. And during the winter and darker days, we were more inward focused. Physically, we wanted to be inside, cozy and snuggled. And mentally, it was a time of reflections and planning. And as the earth started tilting back towards the sun, our spirits began to wake up, move out of those more inward focused days and started stretching outward. Now, when we reach summer solstice, we reach the longest day of the year in which the sun shines the longest. So our spirit wants to be out, to feel alive, to be moving and celebrating. And this is a great time for renewal, healing, and setting intentions. This solstice marks significant time as the earth is going through major upgrade, and it is affecting everything and everyone, including our astrological events. We are witnessing an expansion of consciousness, and there is a shift in collective awareness that is pushing us towards a new era of growth and transformation. I deeply believe that honoring the cycle of nature will help us to be more tuned with ourselves, and also it helps to integrate our life experience. So let's dive into rituals. First ritual, I am starting with sunrise meditation. Wake up before sun is out and find a quiet place where you can watch the sunrise, and as the light of the sun emerges, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths and set positive intention for this new cycle. Now, the second ritual is nature walk. Try to spend time in nature. Go for a walk, and if possible, walk barefoot on the earth. This simple act grounds you and helps you to connect with the energy of the earth. Feel the connection beneath your feet and feel peace and stability in your body. That brings me to third ritual, which is gardening. Gardening will connect you with nature and the cycle of life. Planting seeds, nurturing their growth, witnessing the transformation, and also touching the soil and smelling the earth it fosters a sense of wonder, gratitude, and reverence for the natural world and the divine forces behind it. Now, the next ritual is my favorite, and it is journaling. Take some time to journal, reflect on your personal growth, emotions, and aspirations. Write about what you wish to release and what you want to invite into your life. This is a powerful way to gain clarity and set your intentions. Now, on the 20th, the sun will move from Gemini sign to Cancer sign, and we are moving from air element to water element. And that brings me to my next ritual, which is water ritual. Incorporating water ritual can be especially powerful. You can take a cleansing bath or spend time by the sea, river, or lakes. If that is not possible, then get into a shower and let a running water wash over you. You can close your eyes and imagine that water is washing away any negative energy and regenerating your spirit. Ask the water to cleanse you and purify your mind, body, and soul. Now we're moving to next ritual, and that is fire ceremony. Fire ceremonies hold deep spiritual significance. They are often used for purification, transformation, and renewal. The act of burning represents a symbolic death and rebirth. Fire is seen as a powerful purifying force that can cleanse negative energies, thoughts, and emotions. Burning herbs or writing intention in a fire ceremony is believed to release and transform these energies. And next ritual is affirmation and visualization. Use affirmation and visualization to manifest your desires. Speak positive and visualize your goals and dreams. Align your thoughts with the abundant energy. Now embrace this time of renewal and healing and let it guide you towards a brighter and more intentional path. Remember that after the solstice in the northern hemisphere, the days will continue to grow shorter until the winter solstice. And I know it is only June, but there is a natural rhythm taking place, and we are already beginning to shift inward again. And so I hope these rituals help you connect with the energy of this special time. Please share with me which rituals you like the most, and I am wishing you all a beautiful Cancer solstice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.